We'll do a little writing in our main lesson book today about silk. Now when I think of silk, I think of the beautiful silk fabrics that you see people from China wearing. And they're often these beautiful red colors. So I'm using a vermilion coming around here. And then we'll go ahead and use our template here to put our lines in. So what I want to write about silk is, the silk it's kind of different from these other fibers because it's not a plant fiber, it's an animal fiber, but it's not a hair from an animal either. So I'm going to write that silk is an animal fiber that is not made of hair. Instead, it is made of the fiber the silkworm creates to spin its cocoon. Silk is very strong. It can be woven into a fine, soft fabric that is light and cool, but it can also be woven into a fabric that is heavy and strong. And we'll see how far we get there. Maybe I have to leave some out, maybe I have to add some more in. So let's start with that. So I'll start here by indenting a little bit. And I'm not gonna write terribly big. I'm gonna only go up, halfway between here. We almost are getting ready for a different template here, aren't we? Because we can write so much smaller now. Silk is an animal fiber that is not made of hair. Instead, it is made of fiber the silkworm creates to spin its, am I gonna say it's with an apostrophe or with no apostrophe? What do you think? If I put the apostrophe there, remember that we can think of that apostrophe like a tiny little I. Would I say the silkworm creates to spin it is cocoon? No, so I'm just gonna say it's like that. No little apostrophe that could pretend to be an I. Cocoon. Now here's something I wanna talk about too. Here I wrote it is, I didn't write it's. If I were just talking to you, I might say, oh, well, it's made of a fiber the silkworm creates. I might make that into a contraction, but when I'm writing about something in sort of a formal way like this, where I'm presenting information to you, I wouldn't normally use a contraction there. I actually would keep it like this just to make it feel a little bit more important. So that's something to consider too when you're thinking about these contractions and smushing words together with a contraction. All right, am I finished with this sentence yet? Instead, it is made of fiber the silkworm creates to spin its cocoon. I think that's done. That sentence is done. Silk is very strong. Silk is very strong. It can be woven into a fine, soft. What kind of a part of speech are fine and soft? What do you think? Did you say they're an adjective? Yeah, these are adjectives. These are describing the fabric. And when we have a couple of adjectives in a row, we're going to put a comma. Into a fine, soft fabric that is light and cool. Oops, I'm actually gonna do a comma here, but it can also be woven into a fabric that is heavy and warm. I think I'll end there because I'm just about at the bottom of my page here. I am at the bottom of my page. So that's what I've written for today.